Is your Spectrum 110 cable box not working? Don't worry, most issues can be resolved with a simple reboot or signal refresh. First, try rebooting the box. Unplug it from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds. This resets the internal processor and clears any temporary glitches. Once you plug it back in, allow a few minutes for it to fully power on and reconnect. If rebooting doesn't work, try refreshing the signal. Check all cable connections to ensure they are secure, especially the coaxial cable. You can also try rescanning channels through the box's settings menu. Access this by pressing the menu button on your remote, navigating to Settings, and then Signal or a similar option. Follow the on-screen prompts to rescan. These steps address over 65% of common issues, like freezing or no signal errors, by clearing glitches and re-establishing connection with Spectrum's network. If rebooting and signal refresh don't solve the problem, the issue might be with the box's activation status. Ensure your Spectrum account is active and the box is properly paired with your account. This might require contacting Spectrum support at 1-888-573-3155 to verify activation and repair the device if necessary. If problems persist, consider whether environmental factors are at play. Storms can degrade the signal, and electromagnetic interference from other devices can also cause issues. As a last resort, a factory reset, found in the Settings menu, may resolve software glitches, but remember, this will erase saved data. If the issue remains, and considering that Spectrum is phasing out the 110 model, it might be time to consider upgrading to a newer receiver for better performance and support.